failed pothole repair often shows itself within days to weeks through clear physical changes and performance issues. Listen for hollow sounds when driving over the patched area, and look for visible signs such as sinking, new cracking radiating from the patch, or crumbling edges that shed loose aggregate. Check the repaired surface after heavy rain for standing water that indicates poor compaction or subbase voids. Probe the center of the patch with a screwdriver or thin metal rod to test for soft spots. A solid repair resists penetration. Measure the patch elevation relative to the surrounding pavement using a straightedge or a long piece of lumber placed across the area. Any low spots beyond roughly 1/4 of an inch indicate inadequate fill or settlement. Verify edge bonding by running a gloved hand along the seam between patch and existing pavement. A well-bonded edge feels tight and shows no separation. Document findings with dated photos and notes, so you can compare changes over time and determine whether early rework is needed. Common issues include poor compaction that lets the patch settle and sink, leaving low spots that trap water and accelerate failure, which is fixable by cutting out the failed material and reapplying with proper layered compaction using a hand tamper or plate compactor until the patch matches the surrounding grade. Another frequent problem is lack of proper edge preparation, so the new material does not adhere and crumbles outward. The remedy is to square the edges back to sound pavement, clean debris and dust, apply a tack coat if appropriate, and then place the repair material in well-compacted lifts. Third, underlying subbase failures can cause rapid reoccurrence of potholes even if the surface patch looks fine. If you find soft or voided material under the patch, remove down to competent subgrade, stabilize with compacted, well-graded aggregate, and rebuild the surface in layers to restore structural support. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors so we can find multiple options for repairs and compare approaches and prices before committing. We also host a discussion community where we share field tips, ask questions, and learn from others who have handled similar repair outcomes.